If you want to process PDFs with AI in ServiceNow, then currently there is no out-of-the-box solution. For instance, if you want to summarize the content of a PDF, then you would have to rely on third-party applications. At DT Advisory, we've built a solution for this that we want to show you today. My name is Sören Maucher, I'm a certified technical architect for ServiceNow, and I work for DT Advisory in Switzerland. Today, let's quickly look at the architecture that we implemented and then directly go into a demo. So what have we built? In ServiceNow, we have an attachment, for instance, a PDF that we cannot process on the instance, but instead we're sending it via mid-server to our on-premise infrastructure. So for instance, at DT Advisory, we have our own infrastructure hosted in Switzerland that we built a processing script that runs on this infrastructure, and we have connected it to ServiceNow via mid-server. Once our script runs, we can extract the data and then send it back securely to ServiceNow, where we are then leveraging the Now Assist skill kit for GenAI. So here we have built our prompts and can put the PDF text into our prompt and then send it to the Now LLM for processing. So for instance, we will show you in the demo, we're summarizing the PDF content, and then we can actually put this out to our record, for example, as a summary field, or handle it in a flow for other processing. All right, let's start with the demo. So here we are on a service portal and we have our record producer. I'm now creating a demand with just a very short text because I'm a little bit lazy and I have already prepared everything in a PDF documentation to create my demand. So as you can see here, there's not much information provided. Everything is in this PDF document that, if we quickly check, actually has a lot of content. It's even more pages than this. And the idea here is really that I just upload it and click submit to submit my demand. And this is the record we created. And let's go to the workspace to check it out. All right, so now we are on the workspace and we see the demand record that was created. Here we see the description that we entered into the text field, and then we combined this description with the unstructured information from the attachment that we uploaded, and from this, with AI, we created the summary here, and here we now have a very concise and short summary of all information provided that me as an agent can quickly analyze to see who needs to handle this request, what's the priority, etc. Let's quickly recap what we saw in the demo. So first of all, we showed you how to securely extract your data via mid-server. Then we showed you how this data can be processed with AI with the ServiceNow LLM. And then in a third step, how this data can actually be used to create structured records in ServiceNow, like the demand record. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo. In the demo, we've shown you how we can upload PDFs via Record Producer, but in another video, we also showed you that we can actually process email inbounds as well. So as you can imagine, there are also many attachments that are typically sent via mail and that you could process with AI within ServiceNow. So make sure to also check out this video. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or any one of my colleagues from DT Advisory.